working on the Cressida today, so I'm basically gonna strip down the valve covers and get them all painted, and then any other small accessory that I have I'm gonna paint as well, so when I put it all back together it looks nice. So yeah, I got the valve covers right here. About to put some aircraft paint remover on them and get rid of all this really bad paint, and then we'll paint them after. So I'm gonna put it on a time lapse, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright, so the head's completely rebuilt. Now I don't have the cams locked in or the cam caps on, but that's because the ARP head studs go in underneath the cams. So yeah, I gotta make sure I leave those out and then put this on with the ARP studs and then torque it all down. Then I can put the cams in and torque the cams all down and set timing, etc. So yeah, yesterday's clips might be a little choppy just because like the garage was so messy and I don't really work very well when things are like in the way and, you know, a mess. So yeah, I tried to clean up as much as I could last night after I got the head put back together, and things are looking a little bit better. But yeah, so new valve seals, cleaned all the valves, lapped them, did everything in the head that you would want to do, refreshed everything, painted the fuel rail, painted the intake manifold, painted the EGR stuff. Anything that looked kind of crusty, I tried to at least spruce up a little bit. I didn't mess with the throttle body because it's a big clunky unit and it's kind of cumbersome and I didn't want to take it apart. And then there's a little assembly that goes here and it's also kind of cumbersome, and it has like electronic plastic parts on it that I don't really want to try to take off because with these older cars, the more you try to take things apart, the more things break and the more things you have to replace. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave the throttle body the way it is, and I'm also gonna leave whatever this thing the way it is. I think this is like an IAC or something. I don't know, but I'm just gonna leave it how it is. So yeah, I'm going to get these ARP studs thrown in the car, and after I get the ARP studs in, then of course I'm gonna drop the head in with the head gasket, and yeah, try to get everything torqued down. Well, not try, I'm going to get everything torqued down to spec, and then I'm going to try to turn the car on. So yeah, we'll see how far we get today. I might be going out to Georgia with Jack to go look at a trailer, so we'll see if that happens. And yeah, so we're just gonna see how far I can get today, and yeah, so let's get to it. Hey, what's up guys? So it's like, I don't know, probably like 95 degrees outside. It's the 4th of July. I spent the last 2 days working on the Cressida. Day 1, which is in this video, I painted the valve covers and cleaned everything up. Day 2, which was yesterday, I put the head in. Sorry if I didn't record too much of it. It's just been like so hot that it kind of makes it hard to like plan and think, although I guess I could just like sit down and plan it out, but whatever, it is what it is. So the head's in there, the car cranks, that's it though, that's all we've got. So while I sit here and diag and figure out what's going on, I'm gonna end today's video and give you guys something to look forward to in the next video. So, you know, if you're excited for the Cressida, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you can't wait to see it run, you know, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you throw them down below in the comment section. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and hopefully this thing will be running. So thank you for watching, and see you later.